Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Hubspot certificate. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open up your internet browser and head over to Google. Once you're on Google, type in HubSpot Academy into the search bar. After typing HubSpot Academy, you should see it appear as one of the top search results. Click on it, and this will direct you to the HubSpot Academy homepage, which is the starting point of your certification journey. Now that you're on the HubSpot Academy website, look for the button that says Sign up for free courses. This is your entry ticket to all the learning resources HubSpot has to offer. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. As you navigate through the available courses, you'll find a variety of topics suited to different interests and professional needs. HubSpot offers certifications in inbound marketing, content marketing, sales enablement, and more. Choose the one that aligns best with your goals. Most courses are self-paced, so you can learn at your own convenience, making it ideal for fitting into a busy schedule. Don't forget to take notes during the video lessons, as they'll come in handy when it's time to pass the certification exam. And that's it. So that is how you can get HubSpot certificate. So that's all for this video. Thanks.